1,000, then you only have 1,000 stock. Yeah, that's correct, right? But if you have 1,000, then you have 10,000 stock minus 10,000. You will have negative. This is wrong as well. We need to change this. Because you can only download only the max stack, right? So we need to change this, okay? So if your uploaded element is higher than your max quantity, you should use um your is higher, right? Max stack quantity amount. But if your no floated element, but this one is wrong as well because this is comes to play this guy like giving headaches. Okay, if you want like nested something, so we are returning here, right? But we're gonna do another checks, right? I hope that this worked, but this is not really recommended. So if uploaded element is higher than your limit, limit down command the volume limit 0 limit download count, right? If you have limits, so if you have limits, uploaded element, right? You're gonna use them if not higher. You can just if you have higher stock capability, you're gonna use your upload element. But the problem is you're putting limit to downloads. So when your uploaded element, which is for example 1,000, and then you are limiting them, it's higher. It's higher if uploaded element is higher than your limit, and then you're gonna use is your limit. No, maybe put it backwards. So we do first here. If higher limit account, oh wait, load limit is higher. No, 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 no. If this one is higher or command value is equals to 0, which is means no was equals to 0, is higher or equals to 0, use upload element. And then if not, use your command limit download as your downloaded amount. Download amount, not downloaded amount, because it's already ed, which means downloaded as. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do here is we fix this. Bear with me. I think we need to do this on upload as well. Oh man, because I was thinking like, you know, mm, we might have some problem with upload anyway, because we didn't do this kind of thing like the stocking and stuff, right? But what matters there is, oh yeah, we didn't have like the or if it's 0. But we do think, let's try anyway. Just don't go back there. Yeah. Okay. To add max quantity exceeding, and so this is the one we're adding it. So update. We're gonna update our um database because we download something, right? And if download amount, okay. We didn't check our upload. If it's here, just delete them, right? But no, you don't delete records. You just update them. You will. Okay. Some if here. Update element, update of create. We didn't do, so we're gonna do another function here. Uh, Update or create, right? This one. Gonna do another one. Do update element, loaded element. Okay. Update element, uploaded, update element, update element dv. All right. Getting hot in there. It's like 34 degrees right now. Right. So update element, what we need there is our EOS ID, F string, EOS EOS ID, and then what update DB the amount, of course, int amount. Okay, so going there. Update. Okay, then we call this first so we don't forget. PC get USID and then the download amount right there. Okay, then we'll check that if we have limit upload, check uploaded DB. We do have limit here. Yeah, we need to check the limit because if we are in a limit, maybe here. Um, we need to know that downloaded element was equals equals download amount, right? So it which means that we already successful download something. We just lost them. So here, if downloaded element is higher or equals to our limit, which is this guy, maybe we can just download limit and use it in false. So always following that, yeah, just to save us from typing a lot of things. Download limit and okay, and then this one here. So if this one downloaded element higher or equal to downloaded limit, and we just gonna break them because we don't need you have reached the maximum download. Okay, but for you wanted to do it's right about here. Oh, we didn't check the download. What we can do is limit execute limit reach here. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna copy those for our option right about here. You don't right before doing the for loop. Um, you can just limit reach them, downloaded element. If uploaded element, you reach the limit or equals. Add this equals here too, because if it's rich, you can still download some before it goes away. Okay, download limit. All right, upload limit message. Do you have those? We don't have it, but we can do upload limit message. We can just copy paste this guy and make it download limit message. Paste it right here. You have reached the server maximum download limit, right? And then copy paste that one. All right, and then download limit. Then limit reach, and then what you can do again is copy paste here, and instead of this, limit reach, break a leg. Okay, and then get a play the last one. What we could do here is, of course, you downloaded, you remove item from database. We're gonna work on that later on. And then first thing is to finally add your item in player's inventory. Your element uh, transfer element class, your inventory component, and then false equip item. We're not equipping element. Don't stock. False again because we are using our own stocking ability. Item quantity, which is no, that's a quality, not quantity. Make it just 0. And then what's your force new blueprint? False again. We don't send them element blueprint that can make their own blueprint, right? And download amount, which is the amount that we downloaded. Force blueprint, of course, we're not gonna force blueprint. And then maximum item difficulty clamp, just 0. Force it. So we, like I said, we're getting that stacking, so we um already settled that issue. Create on client, false, false, because we're doing it on server. Apply item skin, null pointer, uh, mean random quality, it's a float, so 0.0f. Do we have a float here? 0f, like this. What is this? Float again, 0.0f. And then, what else? Clump stat, false, because this is element, not an item. Ignore absolute max inventory. Absolute, no. No. Because if it's 200, you can go over it. Right? And that's cheating. Okay, true. Skip deny spawning in this map. Okay. Because you might, some kind of thing that prevents us to download our element. Okay? We are checking always here the uploaded element. right? So we don't need to worry about it. And if we reach, oh no, no, we need to have some, um, how many we're gonna download, right? We're downloading everything as we know. We didn't put any like how much we want to download, right? Because if you want to download just one piece of it, oh, this is another 4 hours. All right, so let's tackle them. Mhm. So I haven't put any. This one will download until you don't have any more like uploaded element right here. Maybe we can just if uploaded element if equals to 0, then break, right? No more element. Okay, right? So why are you gonna download if you don't have uploaded element anymore? So that's correct, right? We just break it, break a leg. So here we don't have like uploaded element download amount. Like we're only downloading everything, but we don't download. Oh man, download amount preferred. Okay. So here F string, right? Para add params there. And our utils, we're gonna copy paste something in that tab. No, not there. Save that, and then transfer. Where's our F string param? Okay. Make sure you use param. Okay. What we're gonna do here, right here. Mhm. We in download amount right here, right? Equals to 0. Here you are putting it right here to be download. Okay, make it 0 for now. Do we have loaded here? We do have. So make sure that remaining to be download, right? Just to be readable. So download amount. Um, when we have preferred thing, maybe we could just use this down there, but I don't want to put it in loop, so we can just use this. Okay, download them. So when we have instead of using this to our limit, so we're gonna have another one, and then um preferred. Make sure that this one is preferred download, and then make it in. So this is the one that you want to download, right? And then our download amount, we do some hub checks here. Of course, check our limit. Um, if you have uploaded element again, uploaded element, it's more than your no max tab. Okay. Oh, hmm. Yeah, we just do this separately. Okay, so if your download element, so this, oh, sorry, this one is already been checked, so we don't need to do it again. And your download amount is more than, we do, it passed to our your max quantity, and it passed to your download limit, right? And then if your downloaded amount is more than that you wanted to download, and then what you're gonna use for download amount is, it is more than, right? So you just use this prepared amount. But then, but if it's else, download amount. So we are modifying if we have something. This is much better, than the, for me, you know, for me, this is much better. Download amount preferred. We're gonna put that. Okay, so I think we're done. We're done. Everything is done. Of course, when we don't have issues with database, this will return true. We're gonna add new item, and then we update them to our database, which haven't done. About here, are you guy? Right about here. Okay, and then we download, we plus the remaining amount to downloaded element plus downloaded, and then the remaining, we haven't done the remaining. How many remaining that we need to do? So we are downloading uploaded if, um uh wait, this one will continue to loop without breaks. So if we are limiting ourselves with the remaining, so what do you want to download, right? You only downloading one, and then it's still looping. If your download is more than the max stack quantity, this one download all. If you only have, if your uploaded amount is more than the max stack quantity, you're only downloading the amount. Let's say you have 100, but you have 1000 in your database, and you only downloading 100, and then it will, loop around again to download what you need for the remaining. So what we're gonna do here, um, remaining to download, right? So we're gonna put the remaining to be download equals to updated the download amount. That's the same thing, but downloaded element downloaded to there's a limit for downloading, right? And um this remaining to be download, we need to limit this as well, so it will loop continuously until we reach the remaining, right? Until it's 0. So before that, right here, remaining, which if more than or equals, or no, remaining is equals to 0, then or equals to 0, and then break, right? Because you don't have remaining to be download. So what are you gonna download again? And you're setting the remaining download right about here. This is for limit. anyway. That's why it's different. So you download amount like minus equals, and remaining to be downloaded is your uploaded element. But you need to set this one. That's initial, maybe 0, 0, 0. And we're gonna set here because we are setting it here, right? You want to download something, for example, unlimited 1000, and we are changing it if we are only downloading 50. So here we are setting right here equals existing um remaining downloaded amount, right about here. No, I think no. What do we want to download? We shouldn't put it right here. Also this one. Because we need to set first before we loop. When we loop something, set download amount. Yeah. Before we loop. So this is very, very, very wrong. Right? Very wrong. And then this one. Okay. And this one. We already set. No, we set it right here. Because remaining to be download is like we set it the initial value, which is the download amount that we want. For this one is unlimited, but if we are referring like 50 only or one piece only, we put it here. So one remaining, and then for example, upload element. You don't have you don't have element, then you reach the download limit. That's it. And if you reach the limit of the remaining, so let's say you want download one, and then you will continue, and then download amount, you download it, and then it will give you the element. And for downloaded element, just make sure uh you down checking it for the download limit if you are over, right? But yeah, and then you can just negate this if you, but just for readable purposes, I separate them. And then remaining to be download is your download amount as well, right? And then we minus it because let's say we set one here, and then we minus one here, and then it will next loop it will break, and we didn't do anything. Yeah, right. Okay, and then what we're gonna set is downloaded amount. Oh man, no. Downloaded element right here. Instead of success, it's more than 0. So which means we downloaded something, so we can just remove the success, right about here. Okay. Okay, so what we can do is for yeah, you can put the thing inside for points reduction if you have points. If you download something, and then of course notification on Discord if you downloaded something, and plus the cooldown. So spammy guys right there. Okay. Um Here element transfer if you're logged, What we're gonna do here is we have the function right there. Player, blah blah blah, downloaded element, element, element over 100 on map. This guy. Okay. Do we have a map here? Did we declare our map? Okay, we do have. Okay. Get player character. That's the player, and then your downloaded amount. Um, downloaded amount slash downloaded limit, right? No, not slash, dude. And then your map dot string, comma, and then your function, which is remove this one. Okay, downloaded amount. Why I don't have it? It's not declared. It is declared. Download amount. Hmm. And downloaded limit. I'm sorry about this. Where's our limit? Download. Download limit. Over, right? Okay. So we do have some debugs already. And then we gonna change our download message right here. Download message. So what we're gonna do is um 0 uh, 0. Okay, paste the default one here. Okay, so element successfully downloaded. One remaining. Oh, this one it will show you how many element left in your database, right? What we're gonna do here is shoo downloaded element. We put it here. Then we need to do some checks again about here. Check uploaded DB. Right here. Remaining element remaining DB. Okay, this one will be in. Okay, that's about it. What did I add there anyway? Oh, but I haven't stopped the loop after the remaining. Oh, wait, that's why I didn't put this in my old code just because setting yeah, because this one is absolute iteration count. So we only calculate the iteration count right about here. Yeah, loaded element divided by max stock quantity. So we are counting max item quantity. For example, your max item quantity is like 100, right? 100. So you have 100. And then um of course, regardless with the, for example, we have slot, right? So just to make it simple explanation, right? So we have 100 max item quantity, and then our uploaded element, we are dividing it to our max stack quantity. Because this one is made for, um, this is wrong, made for downloading everything. But what we do here is we are setting up our download for our loop. So what we're gonna do is putting download amount, this one, all of this one. Oh no, no. Yeah, we need this one here. Okay. So right here we have the max item quantity. But for this one, before the iteration comes in, we need to know, we're gonna do some iter count as well. Remove that there. Um, out here. Okay, so here is identifying how many many loop, how many loop needed. Okay, so uploaded element. We're not gonna do this because we need the download amount right here. So let's say you have 50, you want to download 50, and then you are dividing it to your max item quantity. If it's just enough to all, wow, get max item quantity. So you have 100, right? You want 100. So if it's like 1000, your download amount, it's 1000. You're gonna get, wait. Yeah, for example, because yeah, we're using um upload max item quantity right here. So whether it is bigger or smaller, so you can still have loop here. So let's say it's this one is smaller than this one, it's okay, right? So for example, or it's bigger. Download amount is bigger than this one, yeah. It's okay, it's still okay. We're gonna test this anyway. So instead of upload everything, the upload amount, we do the download amount because we change everything right about here instead of uploaded element. So we're not downloading everything, right? I yeah, because we need to check the limit and the download amount. All right. So we are identifying how many loops we are doing. So we know that how many loops, for example, just one, and this one just make sure that you are not downloading more than that you need to, right? So your for example, remaining to be download set right here 0, right? But right about here we are setting the download amount, so we need to download like that, so we're not breaking it right here. Okay, maybe let's try this. Make sure we have this. We sent it to Discord as well. I think our Discord not set up yet. Like that. I'm gonna copy paste this one. Just remove the last part because that's, oh no. Download message. Right. and then 0, 1, and 2, and 3. Okay, then download message, and then copy paste the default one, so you can still have message even they don't put it. And then PC player, blah blah blah, and then element downloaded element, and then your limit. No, your limit on map name that the string, and then yeah, that's it, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. We should have get something in our Discord. I'll show you later. So we have download pull down right there. The check element. Do we have this already? We don't have it. Anyway, this is so quick. As you can see, we have what is it? Check, check uploaded element. And just put it right here. Oops, element uploaded callback. Just making sure. And then we don't need this guy. Yeah, I think we are done because we already have this. What we need here is where's our there? Check, enable, no cost, notify Discord, true. Um, yeah. Um, we need to make some. If it's true, we put it inside. Like this one, 2 points. Put it inside if it's success. Right. Close this one. Check limit, and we're gonna work on this. Okay. So if you want log player has uploaded element. Yeah, that's correct. Right. Uploaded element and then the function. Element bay. Uploaded element. Limit. Do we have the limit? The download. Oh man, I deleted that. Mhm. I think I made it already. I just messed it up again. Element upload limit. No. Element upload limit. Okay, so I think we're done here. I just messed it up, you know. I just messed it up. We're done here. Okay, so first thing first, gonna release it right away, right? Why are you using Copilot? Okay. For the dev, we can just copy paste this one and paste it uncommented, but we gonna clear everything that includes my thing. And false, false. What PNG, you can just use that one. For my token, use your own token. Don't use mine. I don't think if you're using guild ID and channel ID, yeah, of course. But for guild ID, we don't, because we are using webhook instead. For bot token, we're not using them as well. Do we? No, no. Just gonna remove them. This one do. Just copy paste them in your config, fresh one. And for your deb, remove the Discord guild ID and bot token. We don't use that because we're using webhook. The embed template that should come later on. Another 3 hours for that. Okay. So we go and we push it first before we compile them. Okay. And then we do some cleanups to our utils because I believe that we don't use a lot of things right here. Like this one, we don't use that. Fetch message from Discord. You don't use, but this send message to Discord callback. We're gonna use this send message to Discord. And for points, we're gonna use the points. For command string, get player permission, get prior, add player, and leave player. We're not gonna use them. Player and lead player. Update player. We don't use that. Delete player. I don't know why this one not giving me close. Uploaded DB rate or update. Oh no, you haven't do this. I'm sorry. Oh, I forgot. Okay, read config. Okay, do come. Upload cleanups so we can just revert them if we have some problems. Push, of course. Okay, so what we're gonna do is upload. What we're gonna do is put it right there. It's the same thing. Ooh, deep. Where's my copy? I cannot find upload. Okay, uh, go to definition. Okay, so right here, what we're gonna do is we upload function. I'm just gonna copy paste some file code, save, map, and for DV. We just need the map name and the data itself. Change it like this, and your amount right there. And then finally, maybe copy paste everything. Escape USID. We're not gonna use that kind of USID in your condition. Escape USID right here in your condition. Element DB is not like that. Copy paste this one there, here and there, and we're not doing. I just gonna leave this one right like that because we're only use it once. It's debug, and you can do like this: upload element, update error, maybe loaded element if it's true. Um, it's not to do. Okay, so that's just about now. We can upload. Look. Okay, so this is the moment that we will find ourselves have some lots of errors. So I'm gonna compile them. Because yeah, I don't want to compile them earlier because let's wait. Let's check another one. Because the project name might have different one. Just double checking everything before we compile. Because it will push. Then second, it will push to my development server right away. That's why I want to check them. Okay, I think um yeah, I think this should do. Okay, so let's try that. Build. This is it. Finger crossed. 5 hours, almost 6 hours right now. Maybe I'll cut this one into multiple videos so I can have a lot of uploads. You know, if I can upload it like 6 hour long, it's okay. But um, it's like I don't know. It's much easier for me, just like doing lives. Because if I drop this into DaVinci Resolve, it's like rendering every single video. It will render and it will take time instead of just uploading it right away, right? I don't know why it's like 6 hours right now. It's already 6 p.m. 6:30 p.m. right here. So maybe I started 12. Oh, man. And why this one patch message Discord? Okay, it's the timer. You can just remove them. Hooray! It's a sample message. Oh, we don't need to do everything of that. We just need this one. Okay, so let's try it again. Maybe we do have some thing in our hooks like this one die. Substantive acceptable. Wait, what? Where's this? Leftover substantive acceptable conversion. X utility. I hope I can find my error right here. It's not giving me a right direction. I think it's on the last part, I believe. I believe not giving me it. Yeah, gives me where? Here. Oh, the find. Because we're returning. Hmm, Because we are returning something. It will return if it's true. What it's gonna return is the F string, like like the error says. The error says is returning F string, right? So what we're gonna do here is F string results result. What? Ooh. Then why you have some error if it's returning bool? Or maybe because of this one not equal to n, right? Finally, which point? Why are you doing this to me? Hmm. Um, this find stuff, it's not equal to. Let's do this. Right? Yes. This is looks like they're using the n, not equal to. If it's find something, if it's find something, I believe that it's returning um f string, some result, which is the f string blueprint. But then it's returning false if it's end. Config. This is what I'm gonna do just to get over with. Right. F string uh tbp config bp big bp, and then if like this is much simpler and readability. Or maybe oh, wow. Return false here. But here, oh, config bp, right? Std string, okay, and then string, right, like that. Okay, so if cbp, if cbp equals looking for item bp, and then return right away because we found it. Return true. Cd string, tab, or maybe not contains. It should be equal. Some item BP equals to no. Item BP equals to dot equals like this. It's better than CBP. If you have something wrong with this, you convert this to F string to match the type. I remove this headache. Okay. like that. Okay, I might miss something again. So hopefully we don't have error. Yeah. So it compiles. What we're gonna do is look for our element transfer right here. Okay, so we do have that. Oh, okay. Okay. Just saying okay multiple times excessively. Because I was thinking, I'm sorry. I don't think any kind of word to fill in while I'm thinking. So I need to keep talking, right? Oh, I should eating lunch by now. My fasting is done. But here I am still coding. Then eat dark chocolate while we're waiting. Imagine that, you spend a lot of hours doing this and yet your plugin is free. It's okay. At least I learned. They were saying that, my professor said the the more you know C++, the more you don't know it. Right? The moment it's better if you don't know it. Because if you go deeper, like doing a lot of things, it makes complicated. It make your code complicated, like I did. Instead of just doing for loop here and done with it like this, just make it complicate with if fine. So I suggest if you make it simpler and readable, do it. Because after a week, maybe a month or year, you don't recognize this anymore. You might think like, I didn't write this. You're gonna say like that. Right. Oh, someone shot me here. I mean that one. I don't even bot can have a button. No user to put anything like EOS. This problem with them. What button? You can just slash command, not just the button. Button is for like if the bot is asking you like, yes or no. How can you put an EOS ID is not like often for everyone. So what I'm suggesting in Discord linker is when you slash link in your game, it will give you um some kind of a token that you can put in your Discord rather than putting your EOS ID right away. Right. But you can do that as well. Like if you have asking us access to your EOS ID and you don't want to go to the game, just slash then link then put your EOS ID. That's it, right? But before it was Steam ID because Steam ID is accessible for everyone. You can even like go to your account and you see the you see something there. Wow, what we have crash. I'm waiting for you and you have crash. Hmm. Let's investigate why we do have crash. Maybe our um I suspect. Mhm. I suspect our mhm, config. I might miss logs right here. Watch up. I missed something. Like comma. Element transfer, enrollment, basic, vector, basic. What? What? Element transfer, right? What? Wait, delete the logs. Yeah. So we do have error right about add and remove commands. No, 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 no. Hmm. Basic string. So I suspect that our is invalid. But you go here, create a link, paste your thing. Wow, it's valid. It's valid. Why you give me error? Hello, man. Ooh. So I think our problem is we don't have a problem here. Maybe this one. I think this one, or yeah, I think this is the least the problem for me. I think because it's not looking um this configs source transfer utils checks much blueprint class element VP check, right? Close that one, close this one. Element VP check. Element VP check. We're putting it on. Yeah. What we gonna do here? Because it's hmm, maybe the load one. Utils read config. What about here? Mhm. General notif display type. Hmm. Config loaded. It didn't even load, right? It didn't come to here. Where's our logs? No, it come here and it says debug true, which is this one. And then load database. It even load our database. Maybe we have something wrong about in this part. Try this one. Because if this one didn't appear, we have something wrong with this. Uh, just wait for a bit. Oh, it will crash. Yeah, it's database loaded. Let's go back to our CPP. We need to our hooks as well. We're not gonna use the hooks. I think we need to clean up more. Our transfer is okay. Hooks. In this hooks, we're not hooking anything. We didn't even call this. So this is just an example of hooks. But what you could do, we might need in the future. So what we're gonna do is just open one, if 0, and then okay. So we're not calling anything from that block, even though we include them in our age. Because yeah, we're not calling him here as well on that one, right? You can just leave it like this too. Okay. What we have? Okay. I'm suspecting that we're not calling this yet, so it could be when it's loading, like with load, okay, but the commands itself. Oh, so we are loading the database, this one. So we go there, go to definition, just go here, upload CMD, download CMD, commands, element transfer config, our start config, commands. Yeah, we're correct with commands. Upload CMD, download CMD, check upload code. Yes, this is the right one. Check uploaded. Yeah, this is the problem. Okay, because I know. That's the problem. Hmm. Okay, starting the server right now. Just really quick. Gonna have my dinner after this. I wish I can pause this and but I wanna finish it so I can move on. Maybe today I'm just gonna do one and tomorrow other one because this one takes long. I wonder how the other. Yeah, what we do here is I just put some Discord bot there running. Anyway, everything is loaded. So what we're gonna do, right? Desktop items, my desktop, and my shortcut, and my game. See, and my workbench. Open it up. Arc is a dev on my live server. Okay, we put it right here. Dev tables, element transfer. Oh man, we delete this. Truncate table, truncate, refresh. We don't have anymore. Um, let's see if oh man. See if we have. Yeah, we do have our server right now. Let's join there. Okay, so we're here now. Do we have element? Okay, we do have 797. Maybe to save us from computing a lot of numbers, we just do like this. Then throw it away. Okay, so we do have 790. What our config saying that we could only as admin, right? I'm admin. We could only it is cost 50 and we can only upload 100 and it has trigger 60 interval. Okay, so what no, we're gonna check this first for trigger interval and then this one costs 0, so it's okay. And for cooldown and notify Discord. Okay, so the Discord it should be shown right here in my bot tester. Okay. All right. So going back to the game, what we're gonna do? Forgot the command. Check slash check. First check limit. Okay. Upload limit. This is upload limit, not download limit. So you could have another command for download limit. Check limit. Okay. So command what? What did it say? It says like command. No. I think there's something wrong with limit. Command is cooldown, so that's the problem. Check slash check. Let's just check that one. Same thing, right? So the whole thing is messed. I'm gonna exit the game and then fix that one. Uh, there's something wrong with me. This one is play. Close that guy. Okay. What we can check right here. Check limit. Okay. It's saying that we are on cooldown. Check trigger interval. So, where's this one is being triggered. So, element check limit cooldown is not equal to 0. We didn't set it. Not equals. And element cooldown is greater than. Um, you know what? This should be end and because we can check all of them. Find all. What? Yeah, there's a different naming for them. Okay, you just need to check one by one. That should be end because this one is triggering even if we're 0. So if it's not equal to 0, of course, we need to check the cooldown, right? I hope some of you noticed this while we're writing this earlier. Good job. Okay. Should we make another one? This is a quick one. Check download. Check the limit. Yeah, up, maybe down. Check down limit. Check upload limit. Check download. Check upload. Okay. Check upload just to make sure that you know. Okay, so we have that. Check limit callback. Check. Gonna change that anyway. Check download and then check upload limit callback. Then we go to our commands. Um, we just need to copy paste all of this into a new one. Check download and then check upload. Of course, I wish I do it first before doing this. Um, okay. Um, yeah, we are doing check limit and download limit right here, and then upload limit right here. Okay. The download callback limit. Okay, that's good. Mm, Our here. So make sure this is a download limit limit download count. Okay, and then if you wanted to do download limit, download limit, check limit message. Of course, wait, or some messages. Yeah, we do have some download limit message. Download limit message. You have reached a maximum. No, no. Check limit. Where's the check limit? Right here. Check download limit. Check upload limit. Then copy your current download limit. Okay. Yeah, that should do. Oh, why? Yeah, download. We're doing this download right there. Download. And we need to have it on Discord as well. I think I have something here. Yeah, no. I thought that I forgot to put comma. Okay. Download. Discord. Check. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna get download. Just change this. Download report. Okay. Then the upload next one. Where are you listening? Okay, the next one, we're gonna fix the messages because we mess up a little bit. Upload, recall it, upload limit, Discord, upload, check Discord upload limit right there. So I think we done limit upload count for upload CMD. No, download CMD because they have the different, right? No, upload CMD. This upload. What we're gonna change is right here. Download CMD, right? Okay, so check limit CMD. Oh, check limit. Check download limit CMD. Make sure you change that as well. It's just our command. And then right here, check upload limit. Now where's our command? Right here. Yeah, I think that's about it. Compile it again. We'll push it, don't worry. Alright. So it's been running, I guess. I haven't stopped the server. I'm sorry about that. So it's reloaded. Let's try it. I wish I didn't quit. It's yeah, it's a clean code right now. So it didn't crash the server whether it's here. I forgot that, you know, even if you're here or just upload the server. Right. Okay, so what? Welcome to session. Leave now immediately. Okay, just about it. What we're gonna do is check limit, right? Check download down limit. You don't have permission. Oh no, I forgot. Cause we do change this one, the commands. Man, wait, we're we're good, right? Check download limit. Check download limit CMD. Then why I don't have permission? Oh, wait, wait. This here it's been changed to this name. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just a space. Let's and build it if you are lazy enough like me. Instead of copy pasting it and reload the config, but you could do that. Or just wait for this guy to load. Oh, we didn't crash ourselves here. Reloaded plugin. Okay, since he reloaded that, it says, okay, check down limit. No, I know. So yeah, it says something, but it's just so quick. I don't know why. Let's do it again. Check down limit. If that's so fast, you can. There's so many notification going on. You can buff it up. Limit. Enter. You currently have. Oh, see that? Because our config right here it sets to display time. It's 3 seconds, and why it's. I don't know. I don't know. But then we do have some here. I put a check element download limits here. Okay? But this one you don't want to show them to the players, so this is just your logs. You can add time in it if you want to, but Discord has already time in that. All right. So we do successfully do this too, like the trigger. No, the triggers no. Limit upload count, which is no, just checking like Discord notification, and cost is 0, and then trigger interval. Let's try to um check limit, down limit, down limit, or maybe up limit for now. Up limit, Control A and Control C. When I enter this, it should be limit me for spamming it, right? So check, not 1 minute yet. Why cooldown? Why cooldown? Why the up limit is cooldown? Oh, I copy pasted it? Probably. Mm-hmm. Because I copy pasted it, so maybe the cooldown is set to limit cooldown. So but they are sharing. So we need to wait for 1 minute. We need to wait for 1 minute. I think 1 minute passed. Let's try it again. Why it's still limiting me? Why? Limit cooldown not equals to zero and oh, we haven't reset them. Ooh, hoo, hoo. This is when we set the cooldown right here, and then we are not passing it to the timers. This is the one that I forgot this. Okay, so reset timers. For example, mm, if um, we need to reset everything. Okay, if cooldown limit cooldown, so they are sharing, so we can just do that. Is more than no, is less than or equals to our counter right here, then you just reset the cooldown to zero, right? Equals to zero. And the other cooldowns, which is right here, you can just copy paste this multiple times. How many cooldowns we do have? Set to zero. Download, set to zero. We don't need that. They're sharing, right? Check uploaded. No, we need four. I'm sorry. Oh, maybe we can just check uploaded. That's the same old checks, right? You can just use this. Oh yeah, you guys share. It's you all guys. Um, check and then this guy right here. But we don't have it right now. Right, and then right down there. Okay. So every time this one is lower down, if forgot, if the system forgot to change it, and then your counter is still up. Anyway, your counter will do zero again, because uh, everything will go to zero, because we're gonna load the plugin again. Like that. Okay. Let's just wait for a bit. I don't know why it's compiling like it's stuck like that. Oh, I'm hungry. Okay, so we do check our let's upload, I mean, set, check, down limit, copy paste. We do have a down limit. Why are you checking? What? I think I did something wrong again. Um, if upload cooldown, check limit cooldown. We do check limit cooldown, right? Plus 60. We are plusing. Element counter plus 6. So plus plus if our counter is greater than or equal to upload cooldown, then we're setting it down to 0. But right now we don't have it. See, we don't have limit. Maybe we do have problem around it. We do set here plus counter plus our interval 60. Oh, this is wrong, I think. Um, if our cooldown is not 0, of course, we're gonna check if the counter is less than or not equal is less than to our cooldown, your trigger is still cooldown. If not, then not, right? That's the wrong. I did this. See? It just hours lapsed and I didn't recognize my code already. Alright. Okay. I'm not doing uploads yet because we have some kind of issue regarding to our simple commands right here. Okay, so I wish that we can move on. Okay, we still have our command. Okay, so our command is check down limit and then enter. Then okay, we do have and it's cooldown. You can spam it. Okay, so we do have cooldown right now. Then we have download limit. You can just remove this. Because they are spamming my thing. Okay, and then what? What's your problem? We're done here. Okay, so right now we're gonna check everything. So we do check our why we have 0. What? Wait, our checks is check down limit, but it gives me 0. That's one thing, right? And that's our problem next. I'm gonna check element download limit to 0. Oh, download limit, my guy. Upload and trigger element download limit. Element download limit right here. Element download, element download limit download count. And that's the problem. Download limit download count. It's 0. Yeah, that's correct. It's 0. Yeah, we don't have limits. But in upload limits, let's try to check. Um, slash check up limit. What? It's still 0, my bunny. Upload limit is 0, so we're gonna check that. Our download limits is okay because it's returning 0. Because this is the one that I copy pasted earlier, so maybe mess up something. Uh, element upload limit is 0, and then upload cmd, which is to getting it command. Limit upload count, that's correct. Limit download count, is that correct? Yeah, we're getting this. Upload limit is upload cmd. Upload, oh yes, 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 yes. No, upload cmd, that's correct. Upload CMD, download CMD. Yeah, this is correct. It's no. We do have. Yes. No, no, no. We do have limit 100. And why it's not getting upload count? It is correct. Yeah, it's correct. JSON, command string perms, loads no, command value. Yeah, upload it. There's something wrong with this because the command is pointing in our command, which is this one, like check upload limit right here, which is getting here, right? So we just need to copy paste this one. That's wrong. So bad. So when we have the command string for upload, cmd, command string, this should be upload cmd dot value like that instead of command. So I did wrong as well here. You command upload to person. No, 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 not this guy. This is upload, my god. We go here. And then find the moment. Stand up command. Upload CMD. Yeah. Just command. It's just quick, you know. Just compile it. I'm going to make myself admin because I don't wanna die. Okay. So I'm admin now. What we're gonna do next, yeah, flash check up limit. Okay, should return 100. Oh, perfect. So check our Discord, check upload limit. And then the download limit, check download limit. What? Scroll down, check download limit. Um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 minute. It's still not 1 minute though. Check download limit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Limit. Oh, I didn't put a limit on this. Hmm. Yeah, it's not working. Okay, so we do have zero. Like, where is it? Where's our Discord? Okay, download limit zero. Okay, so later on, I'm gonna check the other uploaded. This is still cool down. I don't want to wait another 1 minute. What we're gonna do is we have 790, so it should upload because my stacking is 1000, right? Because it should upload and give me the remaining. So what we're gonna do is upload first. We're gonna try upload and then whoop, did it crash us? Player got 230 points. What? Did it upload? You don't have any logs or some kind. Let's check the Discord. Or even Discord didn't send anything. So what's our problem here? Player got 230 points. What? My, do I have points? Archa players. Yeah, I do have points. Well, let's check our code. How many points is 50? I only want 50. So upload CMD, which is slash upload. That's simple as that. And then let's go to our upload. Go to upload and then upload cooldown. Transfer. It didn't say anything. Um, Load. Yeah, nothing. Am I dead? Yes. No, we're not dead. Is the bug? We're not even calling this guy. So we go to commands. Yes. Yeah. Upload CMD. Upload element. Right? Upload element callback. Um, Upload element callback. Is the bug? We're not showing this function. It should be return this guy. Where is it? Yeah, we call them. Upload element callback. And then we are selecting firms and we got points. It says there that we have points. Player got blah blah blah. Points checking. It didn't even return this. If points cost true equals to false, it didn't say anything about this. You don't have points. And then we pass through here. Upload anywhere. Ah, maybe it's false. That's why. Let's see our thing. Upload anywhere. Yeah, you can upload anywhere. So it didn't comes to here. And then our index is invalid. And it's not gonna make that. Upload anywhere. Why there's two? My god. Remove this. Right? Yeah, remove this. Why there's two? Notice that. Okay, inventory component. Maybe my inventory component gets something bad. Check loaded element, maybe 0. Let's print this. Log get log info uploaded element is 0. Just put some simple debugging. Then gonna check here if this one returns. We don't have any issues about here because we will know everything upload limit is our limit upload count. Oh, limit upload count volume to volume, but if it's that's if you put string there, it will crash your server, I believe. So upload, we don't have anything again. Yeah, upload element 0. So we do have checks here. This is we know that this is working. And then item for removal, we don't have. I believe that inventory comes item. This one, I think. Let's try this one. Before we put in this continue, we do it one by one since even if we build, we can get result right away, right? So it's okay. For what we're gonna say about here is um it's background is item skin, not element, right? You can what you can do is add this one. so you know that you are skipping food screen like this. Yeah, I believe that this is a problem, or maybe this one. We don't know, so we just try it one by one, so you know how I debug things. Even though we are almost 7 hours working this. Okay, going back to our game. Load, uh, check our logs. Yep, no element torch. I do have torch. What? Do I have torch? No. Like I said, it's engram. That one, engram. Do you have element? So yeah, we don't have element here. It didn't get any element, so that's not our problem, right? So what we're gonna do is put it back, continue right here, continue. So I think this is the problem. Let's just do okay, not much, right? If not much, the item not much to our blueprint. Um, what what item is that? Not much. Okay, just a quick logs. Oh, I wish I put the blueprint class there. Okay, here it's slash upload and get your error. Not, oh, there's a lot of things here. It didn't continue. Even my engram, it's like, not much in the stone pick note. I don't have all of this thing. I didn't even, is engram. Item that is engram. This is all engrams, that why it didn't limit from here. Okay, because it's an or it should be or, right? Let's just check our element, element, unstable shard. Okay, so what we're gonna do is slash upload again. Okay, did it crash us? It continue everything, I believe. Um, huh, I need this one again. Maybe I'll leave this in debug mode. Um, item, item invalid. Then your item. Okay. So we know what's the item that's being invalid. It looks like that everything is being invalid. Where's our logs? Okay, so about here, we have a lot of things here. Okay, so we look wrong, not valid. It's still going, not continuing. Item invalid. It should continue, right? I forgot. Let's go. You do it again. Here you right click those. It's showing a lot of things here. Maybe I have something for my filter. So let's upload. It's still going. This is all engrams. Element, E. Yeah, it didn't even get this element here. Even my hatchet stuff, right? It just continue like that. Oh, maybe item inventory field. Get it's engram. If it's true, item invalid. Maybe. Okay, so this, this is so this is so. I don't know why it didn't left. Oh, nothing left here. It just skipped everything. So I wonder why. Okay, just pull out our console, upload. Yeah, true. Item skin false. Invalid. Yeah, that's not that's this is all engram. Maybe just to make this simpler and save us from sanity. If multiple ifs is the way to go, right? Its item invalid is engram and remove all the other things. And then leave your M engram and then your item descriptive name. It's like that. Right? And then copy paste this for multiple times so we know that where we're going. Item skin, it's item skin. Then remove this. Leave this item skin, remove the description. Then item is engram, remove that. Leave the item skin in the description. Okay, for the last one, equal to element, and then is engram, description, not element, everything here.